So when our clients come in and they select one of the 3 designers in our showroom, they will be working with that designer the entire length of their project. From meeting and selecting products to going to the house and measuring. I do all my own measures. I do the design work and meet with you again. Once we've settled on all of the particulars and the cabinets are ordered, then I will be back in contact with you again to set up the delivery and the install of the cabinets. I coordinate your installer and I put the best installer for your project on your job. I oversee the entire installation process, the templating of the countertops. I would be there or be in close contact with our templater and then go over the results with you to make sure that we are making this countertop, the overhangs, the backsplash exactly the way that you envision it to be. I will be there for the install of your countertops. If you can't be there, or sometimes things overlap and I can't be there, but I would make a visit to the house to make sure that everything went fine. After we put the countertops in, for the most part, our project is finished. You could be doing a tile backsplash that would involve our sister company, Brunswick Tile and Flooring, and then they would oversee that final completion of your project.